Hello and welcome to the eLumen training video about how to map SLOAs to PLOAs and to ILOs. This is for those with either department or division coordinator access. If you do not have access and think you should, please send an email to the SLOA coordinator who can then assign you. Once we have logged in to eLumen, simply locate either the department or division coordinator. And from here, we want to go to the tab Outcomes and Assessment. Once we are at Outcomes and Assessment, it defaults to the Outcomes Listing tab, and this will show you how many unmapped SLOAs remain. To get to mapping, we are simply going to choose the Curriculum Map sub-tab. Here we have many more drop-down menus available to us. The first to make note of is the one that says Core PLOAs. When you click on this menu, you can toggle between mapping SLOAs to the PLOs or to the ILOs. If you are mapping to PLOs, you will also need to choose from the drop-down menu farthest under the right under Programs. This drop-down menu will list all degrees that were active on CurricuNet when we migrated to eLumen, which was fall 2015. If you choose a degree and there are no PLOs or courses listed, please make a note of it and discuss it with one of the SLOA coordinators. For this example, we will focus on mapping to the core ILOs, since these will be the same for everyone. From the first drop-down menu, choose Core ILOs, and then all of the ILOs will be shown across your screen. To map, simply locate the ILO subcategory that is appropriate and click in the empty box, and a check mark will appear. If you choose the wrong mapping, simply click on the check mark and it will go away. You do not have to hit save. eLumen will keep all mappings as they occur. If you want to map one SLO to more than one ILO, that's fine, but be sure to only choose one subcategory. For example, if you have a SLO that references creating a digital work of art, it would be appropriate to map that SLO to both the Artistic ILO, listed first, and also the Technical Fluency ILO, listed last. But within the Artistic ILO, you would want to choose between Identify, Create, or Critique key elements of inspirational art forms, or Demonstrate knowledge and sensitivity to diverse groups. If you map to both, when we run our ILO reports, any student assessed with that SLO will be counted twice within that ILO category. If at any time you wish to change the mapping, simply log back in and edit the check marks as appropriate. One last helpful note: if you are mapping art courses, for example, there is a second drop-down menu. It may be easier to choose the Artistic subcategory. And then if you need to, switch between that and the Technical Fluency. If you have them all chosen, all categories, there's a little scroll button to the right, but note that the scroll function can at times be very slow. That's it. Happy mapping. Thank you.